729 ml of a mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 7:2. How much more water is added to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 7:3? So now we can find out milk in the given mixture, that is 7 upon 7 plus 2, that is 9 into 729. So this comes out to be 81. So 7 into 81, that comes out to be 567 ml. Similarly, water can be found out. Water will be 2 upon 9 into 729. So you can cancel it out. You get 81. 81 to the is 162. Now, how much more water is added to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 7:3? Now, milk we are not adding, we are adding only water. So let's assume that X milliliters of water is added. So originally we have 162 milliliters. Now milk, it remains the same, that is 567. Water initially was 162, we are adding X milliliters. And now the ratio comes out to be 7:3. Now again we can divide by 7. This comes out to be 81. So you have the equation 162 plus X is equal to 81 into 3, that is 243. So solving this, we get X is equal to 81. So that's our answer.